Hello folks, so today we have found ourselves at CM Chicken in North Miami, an awesome Korean fried chicken joint that's conveniently located right across from the mall on 163rd Street. They offer Korean fried chicken with a whole host of additional side dishes. Their original snow onion chicken was great. Their garlic spicy chicken was awesome. The chicken comes in three ways: drumsticks, chicken wings, and of course, chicken tenders. We ordered the original snow chicken, we ordered the cheesy chicken, and we also ordered the honey hot chicken. Guys, we had to sit and eat. It was amazing. Ask about their radish, their pickled radish. Guys, once again, if you're in North Miami on 163rd Street, check out CM Chicken and let them know Yardie Belly TV sent you.